Namaskar. Hair loss makes many of you very conscious, especially as you enter your 30s. The truth is that hair fall after 30 often begins much deeper than the scalp. So, today, let me give you one powerful remedy to reduce hair fall after 30. And at the end, I will also share a quick hair mask that can help nourish your hair naturally. The one powerful ingredient I often recommend for hair fall is black sesame seeds. Black sesame seeds are rich in iron, zinc, calcium, omega 3 fatty acids, antioxidants, protein, and essential amino acids. These nutrients help strengthen the hair roots, reduce hair fall, and support several important functions in the body related to healthy hair growth. Let me teach you to make a unique hair growth laddu using black sesame seeds. You will need 100 grams finely ground black sesame seed powder, 100 grams white sesame seed powder, 50 grams flax seed powder, 50 grams pumpkin seed powder, 50 grams amla powder, 50 grams kala chana powder, jaggery as per taste. You can prepare a simple laddu, mixing all ingredients together and rolling them into small laddus. Having one laddu a day can be a simple way to support your nutritional intake. This laddu takes care of one of the major causes of hair fall, which is iron and protein deficiency. When the body does not have enough iron, less oxygen reaches the hair root. Over time, the follicles become weaker and hair enters its shading phase much more quickly. Hair is made primarily of protein. When protein intake is inadequate, the body prioritizes essential organs over hair growth. So, without protein, the hair becomes thinner, weaker, and more prone to shading. This laddu takes care of nutrient deficiencies and gives you stronger, healthier hair. Along with this, asanas can improve circulation and reduce stress, which is a major cause of hormonal imbalance and hair loss. Practicing Yogendra Adho Svanasana or downward facing dog pose helps encourage healthy blood flow towards the scalp while strengthening and energizing the body. Yogendra Uttanasana, the standing forward bend, is also very beneficial. Along with this, practicing wall supported Vipareet Karani and Setubandhasana are also very supportive. These specific asanas like Adho Svanasana, Uttanasana, Vipareet Karani, and Setubandhasana gently invert the body in a way that encourages better circulation of oxygen and nutrients towards the scalp. This improved microcirculation helps nourish the hair root while calming the nervous system and lowering stress hormones, which are amongst the biggest triggers of hair thinning today. Yogendra Bhramari Pranayama is also especially helpful because it calms the nervous system and reduces the effect of chronic stress. Yogendra Pranayama 4 or diaphragmatic breathing while lying down, as shown here, activates the parasympathetic nervous system, improves oxygenation, reduces stress overload. And now, towards the end, let me give you a special hair mask which will strengthen your hair. For making this mask, you will need 1 banana, 1 avocado, 2 tablespoons roasted kalonji seed powder, 1 tablespoon non-sour curd, 1 tablespoon triphala powder, 50 ml rice water. Blend everything into a smooth paste and apply it to the scalp and hair. Leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes and wash with a mild shampoo. The banana helps moisturize and soften the hair. Avocado provides nourishing fat and vitamin E. Rice water contains amino acids that help strengthen the hair shaft. Kalonji seeds are traditionally being used to support scalp health and a healthy hair growth. Use this mask once a week and you will start noticing a difference in hair strand volume almost immediately. Remember, hair fall after 30 is not a problem by itself. It is a message that your body needs more nourishment, more rest, more balance, and more care. When you begin addressing those deeper needs, you will have stronger hair and also a healthier body. Remember, all change begins with you. Namaskar.